Welcome, English friends. I'm Devin, and I teach calm, slow English for real life. Today, I'm going to show you two very common ways to use the word for in English. If you use for correctly, your sentences will immediately sound more natural. Ready? Let's go. Part 1. When we use for, we often use it to talk about how long something lasts. For example, I lived there for 3 years. She waited for an hour. Or, we've been studying for a long time. Notice, for answers the question, how long? A very common mistake is using since instead of for. For example, I lived there since 3 years. This is not correct. The correct sentence is I lived there for 3 years. Remember, we use for with a period of time. Part 2. Using for with a purpose or reason. We also use for to explain why something is used or done. For example, this button is for emergencies. I went to the store for groceries. This class is for learning English. If you can ask why, for is often the right choice. Now for a quick comprehension check. I waited 2 hours. Did you say for? Then you have the correct answer. I waited for 2 hours. In the next video, I'll show you 2 more ways to use for, including when for is used with people and money. Thank you for learning with me today, friends. Good job. See you tomorrow.